Hello guys, welcome to Email Hostel where you learn new ways on how to make money online. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get referrals. I have tried this out and it really worked for me. I believe it will work for you also. So if this is your first time on my channel, all I want you to do for me just to hit that subscription button and turn on notifications so that every time I drop a new video, YouTube will actually give you a notification that I've actually dropped a video. So basically, what I do in this video, in this channel, that I make videos how to make money online. What I do is that I try this and life. I find out something working for me. I record video by showing you guys what I'm doing so that I can do the same thing and get as some result. Subscribe and turn on notification. It's going to be 3 steps. As I said earlier, I've tried out and it works for me. How to get referrals and no experience needed. And no much work needed. First step is to come right here on Facebook and create a Facebook page. So right here, as you can see page right here, just click on this one that is say page right here and click on this create right here and click on this get started right here. You can name it anything. You can name it like new updates or whatever and click on this next right here. Okay, I click on this next right here and right here, you can just search and put anything right here and click on this create right here. So right here you can see that. So right here you can see promote your product or services, create content, promote your products and services, create content and connect with fans. Just click on this one that says create content and connect with fans right here and click on this. You can see your page right here have been created right. You can just add your website or you can add image, you can add image right here. You can add image right here as your profile. You can add your website. Just click on create next right here. You can invite your friends right here. You can see your page right here has been created. So right here, as you can see that Facebook right here is creating your page. You can see that right here your page right here has been created. Now another step right here is for you to come right here on Telegram right here and create a Telegram channel. So my right here, I'm not seeing Telegram channel because maybe I've not updated my Telegram right here. But right here, as you see group right here, new group, you can down right here you see Telegram, you see create channel. So you'll be able to create channel. Now right here that you have created your Telegram channel, you have created your Facebook page, you are going to make use of one. Either you make use of Facebook page or you make use of your Telegram channel. But as you are watching this video, if you're not yet subscribed, so do me a favor and subscribe and turn on notification. So the next step right here is for you to come to this side right here called add me fast. So I might leave the link in the description, but if you didn't see the link, just come on Google right here and type addmefast.com. It will actually bring you right here. Once you're here, all you need to do right here, just click on this registration right here. So all you need to do is just put your email address, password, they enter your password and click right here. They will send you email and you verify your email, as simple as that. So once you verify your email, so right here that you have created your account and verify your email, so it will bring you right here. So you can see what the dashboard look like. On this site right here, how this add me fast right here work is that you get points, you like videos like here, you engage on, you can like Facebook pages and follow their channel, you get points. You share Facebook posts, you like Facebook posts, you share Facebook posts, you like Instagram channel, and so on and so forth. You can see YouTube subscribers and all those things. You can just like them and get points. As I can see right here, I already have 800 points right here. So now for you to like, all you need to do, let me say I want to like Facebook post right here. All I need to do right here is just come right here and click on this Facebook post like. Once I click on this Facebook post here, it will bring me right here. You can see that this one right here, I will earn 5 points just by liking this guy right here, his Facebook post. All you need to do is just click on this one right here and it will open up right here. So all I need to do right here is just to like the post right here. Once I like the post, I just come right here. As I have liked the post, I just come right here and click confirm right here. You can see that 5 points will be added to my. You can see that I've gotten another 5 points right here. So that's what we do to get points. So once you get points right here, so now assuming you have got enough points, you have liked video, you have engaged in all these things, subscribe to people channel and YouTube likes and many more. Now you have gotten more points right here. Now you have gotten more points right here. All you need to do is just come right here and click on this add site. Once you click on this add site right here, it will bring you right here. All you need to do is just come right here and select what you want people to do for you. So right here, all you need to do is just right here, because you have already created your Instagram channel and your Facebook page right here. You can either go with your Facebook page or you go with your Instagram channel right here. Assuming I go with my Facebook page right here, all I need to do just come right here and click on Facebook page, like and follow. Once I click on this Facebook page, like and follow, I come right here and remove this worldwide right here, because I don't need worldwide. You need to target your audience right here, So right here, just come right here and click on this select country right here and select the people that you want to refer. You cannot be introducing a US person a platform that is not working in US, so you need to target your audience. So I will come right here and select Nigeria and Ghana right here. So I come right here and close this. So like only Nigeria and Ghana that will join my Facebook page. So all I need to do is just to come right here and put title right here. You can just put anything. Right here. You need to come right here and copy your Facebook link. So if you don't know how to copy your Facebook link, all you need to do is just to come back to your Facebook page. Now to copy your Facebook page link, you need to come right here and click on this three dots right here. Once you click on this three dots right, you can see your Facebook page link. Just copy your Facebook page link right here and go back to add me first. So right here on add me first, you need to come right here and paste your Facebook page that you copied right here. Now if you want to select total clicks, now right here I can just say I need how many people that will follow my Facebook page. So right here, daily clicks right here, you can only also select daily click right here, but it's optional, it's not compulsory. Now right here, you can come right here and put how many points you'll be giving out people that will join. So right here, I come right here and just select 5 points right here. I can just click it off right there, so but it's not compulsory. So right here, as I have set all these things right here, just click on this save. You can say congratulations, your site page was successfully added. So right, if I just come right here and click on this my site, you can see right here that people will join my page. Now what we'll be doing now is when they follow your Facebook page or when they join your Telegram channel, all you need to do is just to introduce them to the business. Tell them how it works, so that for this you can get referrals. I've tried it, it's worked for me, and I believe it will work for you. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave me a like in this video, subscribe and turn on notification. Thank you for watching to the very end. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.